So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Watts recirculating pump out at the water heater. We'll take a video of that in a minute and combine these two. We're at the master bathroom, at the lavatory sink, which is on the right side of the bathroom, facing the exterior wall, it looks like. And that's where we put the crossover valve. So you can see what we've done is utilizing the existing shutoff valves, which are contracted into place. Those are Uponor or Wurzbo shutoff valves. So you can see the stop tube, the ring behind there, and so that's plastic stubbing out of the wall. We got you some new fluid master supply lines coming from the hot and the cold over to the crossover valve, and then the lines going up to the faucet are included with the kit. So those are all brand new. So braided stainless steel already got. Valves are back on. We're gonna go back out to the water heater and plug the pump in, set the timer, and we'll take another video when we're done. So still here in Clovis, California, and we're out at the water heater now. Taking a look at the Watts pump that we installed. You can see tied in with brand new Falcon stainless steel connector. Those are largest in the industry, ultra flexible, 0.725 inside diameter, over to a brass connector. So you got galvanized iron pipe stubbed out, which is horrible for water pipe, but that's what you have in the home. But we do have a brass 90, a brass nipple, and then a stainless steel. So that all those components flow very well. Watts pump is set, it's turned on, activated. We tested to make sure that it's working correctly. And then they got a little extension cord down here. You might want to get a hold of the manufacturer and see if they recommend it being on an extension cord, or whether they'd prefer to see an outlet over here within reach of this cord. It varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, so you can give them a holler on Monday. Just call up Watts and find out what they would like you to do. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.